Hello everyone, I am Sambita. Welcome back to another episode of the MailXaminer 5.0 tech series. Today I am going to discuss how you can export the search results. By the way, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to watch the previous videos of this tech series from the description box below. Also, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified of the latest videos. Now let's come to our discussion. I presume that you have already watched our previous videos on how to perform a search and filter evidence using the tool. So after performing the search, you can export the results. For that, you can click on the export button present in the top right corner of the application. There you will see two options: export selected items and folder export. That is, you can either export the selected items or export the folder as a whole and save the results. Along with that, the tool lets you export the search results in different file formats such as PDF, PST, CSV, etc. The best thing about the tool is that it maintains records of the result exported in the past. To view all the search results that are exported, you can click on the Export tab present on the left panel. Here you will find the list of exported items, the types of file exported, the number of item exported, and the status of the process. You can further click on a particular export title to thoroughly know about the export details. For example, if you click on the Export 4 title, you will be able to see the export report containing destination, that is where it is saved, start and end time, duration of the export process, etc. In addition to that, you can check the item export details such as the type, status, exported path, original path, etc. Well, that's all for today's episode. I will meet you in the next video with other features of this professional email forensics tool. So stay tuned, bye bye, and be cyber safe.